Ouch.
Hey, glad you came back. Hey, look, again, I'm making another Mediterranean type dish, a Middle Eastern dish, a hummus. I know you saw from the title, hummus. It was requested by our good friend Angela Eats TV, hashtag Picky Palace. So I told her I was going to make this for her, and I did it. It's quite tasty, and it's very, very simple, and it's going to be using a sauce that I made a few videos back, the tahini sauce. Now, if you don't have tahini sauce, you can go buy it, but if you follow my instructions, you'll see how easy it is to make it, and you won't want to buy it again. So this is what we made. I know you can't really see it here, but you will. You will. I know you're going to like this. Hey, who doesn't like a good hummus? If you don't like hummus, mainly because you never tried it, make this and try it, okay? Also, hummus, people give it to you cold a lot of times. Now, hummus should be warm, okay? Should be warm. Hummus is not so much a dip, as it were. It's more like a porridge, right? Almost like an oatmeal kind of consistency, right? But you can make it as creamy as you want, but it's more of a porridge, so it should be warm, or at least room temperature. A lot of people don't like it because it's cold. So let's avoid that. Enjoy the show.
Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard.
All right, so the ingredients are simple. We have about 1 garlic clove, minced up. We have 1/4 cup of lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We have about a 1/2 teaspoon or so of cumin. Have about a teaspoon of salt. I'm using kosher salt. We have our garbanzo beans, right? Chickpeas, right? This is the can variety, just a little 15-ounce can. I've washed it. I left the shell on, the skin. I left the skin on. If you like, you can take the skin out. Off. It's just going to take you some time. It's not necessary because you're going to be blending it up, or processing it, so you don't have to worry about that. And then we have our tahini that we made the other day. So we need 1/4 cup of our tahini. So get this all nice and stirred up. Because while it sits in the fridge, it will start to thicken up at the bottom as the sesame seeds rest. So I just want to give it a little mix. Now I want to give 1/4 cup. Look at that. Look at how smooth that is. You see that? It's a nice 1/4 cup of it. There we go. All right, so the first thing we want to do, we want to add our tahini sauce to our food processor, right? So get that in there. My spatula, get all that in there. Why spatula is so good to have. Right? And we're going to add our lemon juice. Okay. And our garlic. Okay. And we're going to blend this up for a couple minutes. All right. See what we got here. Yep, scrape the sides down. I don't know if you can see it. See if I can show you. it's turned a milky whitish color. I don't know if you can tell because the air is in it, the lemon juice. That's what we want. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add some of our garbanzo beans or chickpeas. We're going to add some of those, probably close to half of them. All right. We're back on. I'm going to blend this for 2 minutes. Okay, so let me grab the other camera here. So you can see the consistency here, and we still have to add one more, or well, the other half of the beans, but you can see what we're working with so far. So let's go ahead and let's add those, and we're going to blend this up more. All right, add the rest of these. Now, at this point, what we're also going to add is our cumin. Add the cumin in there. Yes. And our salt. And about 1 tablespoon worth of the oil. Okay, just 1 tablespoon worth for now. And we're going to look at it here after it blends here for a couple minutes. Right, lid goes on, and we blend it. All right, let's check the consistency here. Yeah, it looks nice. Looks nice. But I am going to add the rest of the olive oil. Okay. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this. Okay. Maybe a tablespoon, if that. A little water. Now let's do this for about a minute and a half or so. All right, let's take a little look here. Looks nice. Smells good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let me get tasting chopsticks from over here. We're gonna taste. See? Oh yeah. Yep. Let's blend this for 1 final minute, and then we're golden. All right, so let me take a little peek. Oh yeah. All right, take this guy off. Let's plate up. So here we have it, as requested. Some fresh hummus, easy to make, real simple, very tasty. See, I have a garnish here with a little bit of mint leaf. Got the parsley going good, pita bread, lemon wedges. I hope you liked this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hey, hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell, because we have room for you. Believe it or not, we have room. You know, our arms are open, and we'll leave the light on for you even in the dark, so you can find your way to us. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira, look for the gray cat, and let's connect. That being said, I have some stuff to eat. Now, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you what else I do with this hummus. Hope you like this. Okay, so now this next part, hey, you vegans, you Vegematics, you're not going to like this. But I'm going to show you how you can apply this hummus to meat. Yeah, I'm setting up Mama Shaw's plate. Here we go. All right, here you go for you non-vegans. Yeah, citrus herb, marinated ribeye. Oh yeah. Look at that. We got radishes, the mint leaves. Oh man, we got the hummus there. Yeah, so this goes well together. Hope you enjoy this. Good looking out.